Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have two dash cams that are ready to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD, and on the right, we have the eJager Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2.5 Key 40p front dash camera.
Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to capturing those important moments on the road, video quality is crucial. The DKK Dashcam offers a 1080p Full HD resolution, which provides a clear and vivid recording.
On the other hand, the eJager Dashcam takes it up a notch with a 2.5K 1440p resolution, giving you even more detail. It's like watching your journey in high definition. Now let's talk about the field of view.
The DKK Dashcam has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, capturing all three lanes of the road.
It even comes with a waterproof rear camera to give you a complete view of what's happening behind you.
But hold on, the eJager Dashcam takes it a step further with a 160-degree wide-angle lens, covering 4 lanes easily. No blind spots here. Dashcams nowadays come packed with all sorts of additional features. The DKK Dashcam offers loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest video when the SD card is full. It also has a built-in G sensor that locks and saves videos in case of an accident.
Plus, it comes with a parking monitor that records any incidents while your car is parked. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price.
The DKK Dashcam is priced at $99, which is quite reasonable considering its features and video quality.
But hold on to your seats because the eJager Dashcam comes in at a lower price of $79.
That's a steal for a dashcam with such high-resolution capabilities.
Overall, the DKK Dashcam is praised for its video quality and customer service, while the eJager Dashcam is highly recommended for its high image quality, easy installation, and advanced features.
It's time to wrap up this comparison, but before we go, let's recap.
The DKK Dashcam offers excellent video quality, a wide field of view, and useful additional features. However, the eJager Dashcam takes it up a notch with its higher resolution, wider field of view, and added parking mode.
And let's not forget the lower price tag.
Ultimately, the choice between these two dashcams comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Whether you choose the DKK Dashcam or the eJager Dashcam, both will ensure that you capture every moment on the road.
That's it for today's video.
If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.
Stay smart and see you next time on Buy Smart.